Hey guys, today we are going to talk about cloud seeding. Did you know anything about cloud seeding? It is artificial way of bringing rain when natural way of precipitation doesn't work or the precipitation is not meeting the demand which is required. As population increase and the people demand increase, it is sure that we sooner or later going to run out water resource. UN has estimated that by 2025, 2/3 of population will be living in the water-stressed area. So let's look at the globe and what it is doing. As science advanced and many technology have been devised by mankind, ways to recycle the used water, ways to convert the sea water into drinking water, and artificial way of bringing rain in drought-prone area is one such technology that has been recently sprout up and has been exploited by the scientists and engineers. Recently, countries like United States, UAE, China, Mexico are leaning towards cloud seeding to address the issues like drought and water scarcity problem. United States and Mexico have called for cloud seeding to address their drought condition. On the other hand, China has went up for cloud seeding to fill its large river system Yangtze, which has been drained up recently. On the other hand, UAE is the country which is located in the hot and driest place in the earth and which is leading in the efforts to increase the precipitation. Let's understand what is cloud seeding, how does it work, merits and challenges of it. Cloud seeding involves spreading of either dry ice or silver iodine into the upper part of cloud by using aerial vehicles such as plane and drones, etc. These particles that are sprayed in the upper atmosphere act as hygroscopic nuclei around which the water droplets join, condense and grow, which tries to simulate the precipitation process. This condition will be greatly useful for many purposes, like for agriculture. It can create rain and provide relief for farmers with respect to drought condition. The project Varshadhari of Karnataka government in 2017 was to address the drought condition in many areas of the state. Australia and Tasmania has been using it for power generation. It is used to increase the mountain snow cap as it increases the water supply during the warmer season. With all these advantages, it also comes with various other challenges. The main challenge in cloud seeding is that the cloud which have been seeded moves along the wind. As they move, the efforts go to fail because it did not rain in the intended geographical location. This process of cloud seeding also have disadvantage as it is very costly and not a logical experiment that is going to benefit the whole world. It is also known to cause pollution. Dry ice, which is the source of greenhouse gas like carbon dioxide, and the silver iodine that has been used for cloud seeding is also toxic and carcinogenic. Maybe cloud seeding can solve the short-term problems and challenges, but not made for the long-term challenges that is necessary to address the water scarcity of the world population as well. There are a number of things including this that we can do to address the scarcity, but it is a complex problem that requires multi-pronged approach. We need to invest in water conservation, develop new ways of water source, and reduce water demand. For example, technologies like rainwater harvesting, including scientific way of irrigation, because 70% of water is used in agriculture, where unscientific method of water irrigation has been used for a long time. We need to educate people about the problems of water scarcity and they can help in addressing it. If we do not take action to address the water scarcity as soon as possible, it will be a devastating impact on the world people. World people will suffer from waterborne diseases, shortage and economic instability and many more. Thank you for watching.